What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hello, how are you? What is up? My name is Shara, and yes, welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a DIY with you guys. I haven't done a DIY, I feel like, in forever. It's literally probably been years, like ever since when I first started like my YouTube channel. I know I did a little DIY on like cutting your sleeves off your shirt to kind of make it a muscle shirt. I was really big into that. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crop your shirt. So instead of cutting the sleeves off downwards, we're going to cut it straight across. I'm going to show you how I end up doing that, because there are definitely ways where you can mess it up, and especially if you only have one shirt, then that's all you got, so you just gotta work with it. I really am big into like high-waisted like yoga pants, especially for like working out, or high-waisted shorts, and with that I like to pair it with a crop top. I just feel like it looks super cute with the combo together. I found this shirt at Target and I thought it was super cute. It's this one right here, simple gray, and I love that it says Savage on the front of it. But the way that the shirt kind of tails off into, it is more of like a high-low. I love loose clothes and I love like loose fitting things on me, but the way that this shirt is, I just feel like it's just too big and whatever. So I figured, I'm definitely, when I saw it, I was like, if I'm getting this, I'm definitely going to cut it into a crop top. Just have basically the word Savage shown, and then everything else below that is going to be cut off, except some room. It really depends on how short you want your crop top to be, and I'll show you how I end up kind of guesstimating and figuring out how high I do want the crop top. If you are wondering, this is in a size medium. Like I said, I do like my shirts a little loose. What I do to kind of measure it is just I make sure that I line the shoulder seams together, and then I will pretty much guesstimate. Usually my belly button is covered with the high-waisted, so I don't want the cut to go too far up, but I also don't want it to be like too far low as well, if that makes any sense at all. I find my belly button, and that is basically where I'm just going to give it a trim on the shirt. If you want, and if you do feel comfortable with marking it, you can mark it, put it on. If you aren't really into guesstimating and you just want it to be perfect, definitely put it on, measure it out. I ain't got time for that. I'm just gonna cut it. I do want to mention that it's always best to cut lower. So if you do need to cut it and bring it up like an inch, you can like have the room to cut it, because once you cut the shirt completely, that's it. That's all you got. If it's too short, it's definitely too short. So you just gotta make it work. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead, line it up, and then I find my belly button. I kind of like show you that's exactly where I want it, right here, and then I'm just going to fold it just like so, and that gives me a pretty good idea of the length that I do want my shirt. Let's start cutting. I have it folded at the length that I do want the shirt, and I'm going to just turn it sideways so one side is like facing me. You're gonna want some scissors. I got these extra heavy duty scissors. They're, I don't know, utility scissors. They cut through pretty much anything. So I'm definitely going to be using that just to make things easier. And if you do want to give yourself a little bit of extra leeway, just in case you feel like you don't want to cut too high and obviously ruin the shirt, then go ahead and just kind of give it an extra half an inch or an inch of extra room. Go ahead and just take my scissors and just cut straight across in this line. And make sure that you do have some tension on the scissors and on the fabric, just so the cut isn't too wobbly and make it like super uneven. As you can see, I'm just going to cut straight across. As I'm cutting, I'm also pulling on the fabric of the shirt just so the cut just gets tight, and it makes it easier to cut the shirt as well. Alright, we just cropped a shirt. So all this extra room, I don't know, if you want to recycle it, you can. If you want to turn it into a headband. Go for it. Do what you do with extra fabric. And getting back to the crop top, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how it cut, and then I kind of like it to be a little ruffled at the ends of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pinch and pull, and that is just gonna make edges of the shirt just kind of roll up and give it that more like naturally distressed look. I know throwing it in the wash definitely helps it with that as well, but if you want to wear the shirt now, this is definitely key in doing so. It's just kind of pinching and pulling the fabric just so it does do that whole rolly thing. There you go. That is how I cut up a shirt, and I'll go ahead and put it on just so I can show you guys how it looks on me. I am back, and as you can see, I do have the crop shirt on right now. This is like literally the perfect length. I like when a crop top is not too long, where it just hangs right over, like literally 2 or 3 inches over the high-waisted area, but you know, just enough where you can see just a little bit of skin. Here is what it looks like in the back. And yeah, like literally love the way it looks. Now we're talking a little bit more my style instead of having it super long. I guess that is everything for this video. Like this video if you found it helpful, and definitely let me know how it goes if you crop your shirt. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I will have all of that listed right here, and I'll have all the information listed down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.